In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin an image on your screen using Sharex. Whether you're looking to keep a reference image visible while working or simply want to have easy access to an important visual, this feature is quite handy. So let's dive right in. First things first, let's get started by launching the Sharex application. If you haven't installed it yet, Sharex is a versatile screen capture and recording tool that's free to use. It's packed with useful features, and pinning an image to your screen is just one of them. Once you have Sharex open, you'll notice a navigation bar at the top of the window. Go ahead and click on Tools. It's right there in the menu and hard to miss. Under this Tools drop-down, you'll see an option that says Pin to Screen. Click on that, and it'll open up a few choices for how you can pin an image. Now, let's explore the options you have at your disposal. You can pin an image directly from a new screenshot. This means you can capture whatever you currently see on your screen and make that image stay on top of all your other open windows. To do this, select From Screenshot and follow the prompts to capture your desired area. Alternatively, if you have an image stored in your clipboard, perhaps you've copied it from a website or another program, select From Clipboard. This will pin the image exactly as you've copied it. Lastly, if you already have an image file saved that you'd like to have pinned, click on From File. This option lets you browse your system to find and select an existing image file. Once you've pinned the image of your choice, it will stay visible on top of all the other open windows. This is particularly useful when you need to compare images side by side or reference a design graphic while working on something else. The flexibility doesn't end there. You can move and resize this pinned image to the position and size that suits you best. Simply click and drag the image to move it around your screen, or click and drag the corners to adjust its size. When you're done with the pinned image or no longer need it, closing it is just as straightforward. You have two options here. You can right-click directly on the pinned image and select Close from the context menu, or you can press the Escape key on your keyboard while the pinned image is active. Either method will neatly remove the pinned image from your view. And that's all there is to it. Using Sharex to pin images is both simple and very effective for staying organized in your work. I hope you found this tutorial clear and helpful. Thanks for watching, and make sure to explore the other features Sharex has to offer for even more productivity boosts.